Hi children, today I will teach you the English alphabets from A to Z. This is English alphabets. Want to smart kids. This letter is A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. This letter is B. B for ball. B for ball. B for ball. This letter is C. C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. This letter is D. D for dog. D for dog. This letter is D. D for dog. This letter is E. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. This letter is F. F for fish. F for fish. F for fish. This letter is F. F for fish. This letter is G. G for grapes. This letter is G. G for grapes. This letter is H. This letter is H. H for hat. Say with me kids. This letter is H. H for hat. This letter is I. I for ice cream. This letter is I. I for ice cream. This letter is J. J for jug. This letter is J. J for jug. This letter is K. K for kite. This letter is K. K for kite. This letter is L. L for lion. This letter is L. L for lion. This letter is M. M for monkey. This letter is M. M for monkey. Say with me kids. This letter is N. N for nest. This letter is N. N for nest. Say with me kids. This letter is O. O for orange. This letter is O. O for orange. This letter is P. P for parrot. This letter is P. P for parrot. This letter is Q. Q for quill. This letter is Q. Q for quill. This letter is R. R for rabbit. This letter is R. R for rabbit. This letter is S. S for sun. This letter is S. S for sun. This letter is T. T for tiger. This letter is T. T for tiger. This letter is U. U for umbrella. Say with me kids. This letter is U. U for umbrella. This letter is V. V for van. This letter is V. V for van. This letter is W. W for water. W for water. This letter is W. This letter is X. X for xylophone. This letter is X. X for xylophone. This letter is Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. This letter is Y. Y for yo-yo. This letter is Z. Z for zebra. This letter is Z. Z for zebra.